What's going on, guys? It's Justin here, and you may already know that a mock-up engine replica block like this can make your next driveline upgrade or engine swap a heck of a lot easier. But did you know Summit Racing also makes them for transmissions too? These replica transmissions are significantly lighter than their real counterparts and a whole lot easier to maneuver around in a tight transmission tunnel. All the bolt holes are precisely placed exactly where they would be on the real thing, so you can bolt them up to an engine or an engine replica block to simulate the size and length of your entire drive terrain. Best of all, you can weld and hammer around these things without worrying about nicking, cracking, or distorting a cast aluminum or iron transmission case. This makes mock-up replica transmissions perfect for transmission swaps where you have to do a lot of test fitting under the car, particularly any adjustments that involve swinging a big hammer into the firewall or a floorboard. Summit Racing makes these mock-up transmissions out of the same heavy gauge steel as the replica engines, and each uses the tested and proven tab lock design to keep the individual panels tight and secure. Summit Racing offers mock-up replicas for a wide range of popular transmission models in manual and automatic, including the ever so popular 4L80E, 8HP70, 6R80, and the Tremec TR660, just to name a few. We'll include a link to these in the description below in the video so you can check the prices and available applications. Leave us a comment below on what you would use one of these mock-up transmissions for, or if there's any applications we're missing you'd like to see. And make sure to like and subscribe to the Summit Racing YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any new tech videos or product features like this. So until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and the golden question is, what are you swapping today?